PSA Collector.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with PSAcollector.com, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys what cards I've been buying and picking up over the last couple of weeks. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to go on IG and follow me at PSA Collector, because I post some cards that I'm picking up and buying before I post my videos, okay? Some cards. However, not all of them. So I have a bunch of cards in this video I'm going to show you guys that I haven't really shared yet, and I got a bunch to cover. So without any further ado, guys, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. All right, guys, so we have two stacks here. We have the raw ungraded cards, which I'm going to submit to both PSA and SGC, and then we have the graded cards. All right, so let's go ahead and cover the graded cards first. Obviously, guys, the biggest card I picked up, the 1997 Metal Universe Michael Jordan. I did a video on it. They were selling for at affordable prices before I did the video. However, after the video posted, they went, I would like to call it, they went viral. So I'm no longer looking to buy any of these. I consider the ones I got enough. I picked up like 4, one PSA 6, and a couple, I think 3 raw. I'm still waiting for one in the mail. These cards are, guys, they're selling for ridiculous prices. When you see that happen in the market, just stop all production. If you have any, I would go ahead and sell them. Just sell them. People are paying ridiculous amounts of money for these cards. Yes, they're awesome card, but I saw some selling for $500. That just doesn't make any sense. So I'm not looking at any of these right now. The market, when it goes back down, that's when I go back into it, all right? The Flair Showcase, guys, another beautiful Michael Jordan card. PSA 9, I paid $35 for it. Super excited to have this in the collection. Michael Jordan fadeaway. It's a row 3, 97 Flair Showcase. Here's a 96 Fleer Michael Jordan metal. Actually, it's a 95. It's supposed to say 95. This is a 96. So I'm going to send this to PSA and spend $8, and it's going to be put in a brand new case like this. You have to spend $8 for the PSA to do that, and they're also going to fix that label for me. So I got this at a steal, I think $20. Here's the 96 Fleer metal with the stainless steel. Awesome design, foil card. You can't really see it with the glare, but it's a mint 9. Super excited to get this. And yes, guys, hear that? The cards do move around in the PSA cases on some, especially this one. Hear that? Sometimes the cards move and sometimes they don't. I think it depends on the year and the set. This one kind of does. The 1996 Fleer metal Michael Jordan Shredder card. Picked this up at a PSA 8. I think I paid $20 for this. Very happy with this purchase. Awesome Jordan photo, awesome rip in the background. It looks like a dinosaur or something ripped it. 95 Fleer metal. This is the nuts and bolts subset, number 212. Got this at a PSA 8. Very good price. It's a foil card. Awesome Jordan card. I love the red jersey on the gray and black dark, the contrast between the jersey and the background. 95 Stadium Club X insert Shaq foil. I talked about this in one of my other videos. I saw one as I was looking up, doing research. I think $20, $15 or $20. The back is even foil, which is really cool. And there's Patrick Ewing in the card. So I thought that was cool. $20, couldn't pass it up. Mint 9, 1995 Stadium Club. Here's a BGS 9, 95 metal. BGS got the label right. 95 metal, BGS 9. Mint condition, Michael Jordan card, foil, awesome design, love it. Got it at a steal. Like I said, guys, gonna wait for the market to go back down on these. Right now, the prices are absolutely ridiculous. Just ridiculous. Moving on to the raw ungraded cards. Okay, so this Michael Jordan I bought. Not sure what I paid for it. It's in a top loader, so I don't think it's a candidate for submission. However, it's still a cool Jordan card. I love the lightning. I said it in my previous videos. I love any kind of design with the lightning in it. So I picked this up at a good price. Actually, I got these. This came in a lot with a bunch of these at $15, I think. But I love these Superman cards. These Skybox Z-Force. There's foil down at the bottom. It's Superman. There are Superman Super Rave parallels to this card. Very expensive. So the next best thing are the base cards. This one is going to be probably at PSA 8. You can see there's chipping on the front, on the top. However, I really don't care. I just want to get it slabbed and encased, okay? So I got 5 of those. Not sure what the total price was. Not much. $15 to $20 for all of them. 95, 96 Flair. Look at this. I'm not going to take it out, but you guys can see it. there's foil. It's the first year Flair did the foil design. Very cool. I got this, I think $6, $5 or $6. So awesome grading candidate. Awesome card to get graded. I think I'm gonna submit this to SGC. My SGC order I'm gonna do here shortly. A bunch of these cards actually. Here's a 95 or 96, 97 Flair Showcase. Michael Jordan. Look at that shine. Look at that awesome photo. Awesome design down here. And then the back states row 1, which I think is the second rarest in the set. It goes 2, 1, and 0 for the 96 set, I believe. And then here's the 98. Yeah, row 2. So 98 is row 3, 2, 1, and 0, I believe. It's a big mess. I'm not sure what Flair Showcase, well, Flair was trying to do, but it's hard to keep track of what the rows are. All I know is 0 and 1 are, for the most part, fairly good pickups. They're rare. All right, here's a Shaq I got. Same thing, looks cool. Very good condition. I think I picked this up for $7 or $8. No, actually, I bought all these in one lot. So I got a bunch of these all in one lot for $18. A ton of them, like a ton. There's David Robinson. There's a Scottie Pippen. I think there's 18 cards total. So I got a really good deal on these cards. So I got the Allen Iverson. That's his rookie, I believe. Nope, that's not his rookie. But that's like a second-year card, Allen Iverson. Very good condition. I picked up a bunch of these 98 Flair Metal Universe. Yep, Kobe's. Haven't really looked at them yet. There's an Iverson. Haven't really looked at him yet. Metal Universe, Allen Iverson, 1997, so second year card. Still one of my favorite cards in the set. The design, look at the Earth. How many Earth? Like, back in school I was taught that there was just one Earth. In this photo there's evidently more than one Earth. But very cool. One of my favorite designs of the set. Plus it's a second year card of Allen Iverson. Got a couple of those, dirt cheap, $2 a piece I think. These ones are PSA submission candidates, or just, you know, grade worthy. Got a Tim Duncan rookie card. This is an old penny card saver sleeve. So this is a Tim Duncan rookie. The prices have gone up on these. Another very cool Metal Universe design. It's got the purple orbs, kind of. I think that's what they are. They're orbs. These have gone up. I meant to buy more. However, just money was tight. I wish I did. Great pickup. Right now, Tim Duncan rookie cards, in my opinion, are way undervalued. Shaq, I got a bunch of the Shaq. Let's see, $2 a piece I was buying these for. They're up to like 15 to $20 now. So I got a bunch of the Shaq, tons of the Shaq. Look at all them Shaq Universe. I swear, guys, these were selling for like $2 a piece back when I was buying them. Not more than 2 to 3 weeks ago, all right? So I got to cement all those. I got a 1992 Topps Gold Shaquille O'Neal rookie card, taking off right now. The Topps Archives Gold Shaq rookie, another very underappreciated Shaq rookie card. Look at that cool design. I got this, what is this? A USA Sports card, Mint 9. I'm gonna crack the case and take it out and submit it, and hopefully get a Mint 9. However, it looks possibly like it'll be a PSA 8 or SGC 8. But for what I paid for it, I think I paid $17 for this. So not bad, not bad. And I won these at auction. Look at these small little sleeves. I gotta take them out. And look at the penny sleeves. This isn't even like, what is this? It's like a jewelry bag. Look at that. It's not even a penny sleeve. Here's a penny sleeve. Now see how clear that is? This is like milky white. I'm not sure what it is. But I won these at auction. Nice 1996 finest. I took the coating off. I didn't, they did. I think I picked these up. All of these. This one too with the coating. Ooh, very nice. I love the 1995 finest set. The blue borders. Very excited to get these. I can't believe I haven't taken them out yet. This could be a Mint 9. The centering is a little questionable, but love the early finest sets, especially when you get them for dirt cheap. So like I said, I picked up all 4 of those Shaqs and both these Barry Bonds for like $7, guys. Shipping was 99 cents. He shipped it very unprofessionally, but not bad pickup right there. I'm gonna take all these out, inspect them further, and see if I want to submit them or not, which I probably will. Okay, moving along. Here's the Skybox Intense insert I got. I got the Patrick Ewing. Very good condition, grade worthy. The Net Assets, very underlooked, underappreciated set. This is from the 1996 Skybox EX 97 Skybox EX 2000 set. I picked up the Garnett, the Shaq, and the Ewing, all for it was like probably under $30. Very cool. They're a die cut insert. I think like 1 in 20 packs or something like that. 1 in 36, not very hard to pull. However, guys, how many boxes of 1997 Skybox EX do you guys see on eBay right now? Not many, okay? So I've been picking these up. The Garnett is damaged, I think. Actually, yeah, it's damaged right there. So I got a deal on that, actually. Still going to submit it because it's an awesome card. 90s big man. Would love to complete the set. There's a Jordan in there. However, now is not the time to buy those Jordans. Here's a Hakeem Olajuwon. I bought it now at like $32. He had it listed. I was watching it for a while, and finally I pulled the trigger. I forget what I sold. I sold like one of my Jordan Panini stickers, and I used that money to pick this up. Awesome Hakeem Olajuwon hot numbers insert. Very excited to get that slabbed. This is probably the best pickup I got from the past couple weeks, guys. A seller had listed this. I was scrolling, like always, in bed on eBay looking for buy it now cards to enter. The seller had listed this $39. Buy it now. The Net Rages, guys. This came out of the 96-97 Flair Metal Series 2 hobby boxes. 1 in 288 packs. The Net Rages, guys. One of my favorite inserts of all time. Kevin Garnett, $40. This was definitely, in my opinion, one of the best scores I made this month. So $40. Can't wait to get this slabbed. Super excited. I don't even care if it's an 8 near mint to mint. I'm just like, there's a seller on COMC right now selling his for like $170, I think. Some ridiculous. But these are not cheap cards. Not cheap. And it's in great condition. I'm not sure why he listed it at $40. So you guys got to keep your eyes open for those deals, all right? And know what to look for. If you don't know what to look for, and someone lists a card way under market value, guys, boom, jump on it. And got 2 of the Jordans, Metal Universe. Guys, I saw these selling for $500, and I swear I was so close to listing these on eBay. However, I knew somebody would have called me out on it and said, oh, PSA Collector is trying to manipulate the market. So I said, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do what I initially was intending on doing and submitting them to SGC for get that 20-day turnaround time, get them slabbed as soon as possible, and then maybe list 1 or 2 on eBay and see if I get any bites. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. However, I probably, I won't end up selling them because the price that I'm going to want is going to be too high. I'm just super glad I got these. I got one at 55 and one at I think it was 25, honestly. So very good. Very excited to get these awesome Jordan cards. They're going to go down in history for so many different reasons, not only because of the PMGs, but also because of the market hype and the hysteria that recently went on regarding these cards. Those sold prices are forever going to be cemented in history. So I'm going to hold on to these for a while. Just very glad I was able to pick some up before the herd came and you started, buying them all up. Some more Flair Metal. I'm excited to get the Jordan Nuts and Bolts. I think I got this for maybe $5 or $6, guys, weeks ago. There's another one. I was buying these for under $10 for sure. Okay, beautiful cards, excellent condition. I'm happy. I'll be happy with mint 9 grades. Okay, here's the 95 foil Jordan card. Awesome photos. Just some of my favorite cards to collect. One of the biggest reasons is because they were underdog for the longest time. People were overlooking them. And now all of a sudden everybody wants them. So very glad I got these before the herd came. The metal shredders, like I said, I picked up 4 of these, I think for $30. Okay. The seller had a lot of 40. I just went ahead and bought it now. I got some stragglers. I think I paid maybe $8 for that one. Here's a Topps profile. Showed you guys in my other video. It's a great pickup for dirt cheap. Great centering. I got this for $8. Super excited to see what the grade is on this. I'll be happy with the Mint 9. Bowman's Best. I think I paid maybe $5 for this. I'm expecting a Gem Mint 10 grade on that. And then the Shaq 1996-97 Flair Total O clear acetate insert. Very cool, very cool. Love the 90s design. I got this for, I think, $12, guys. 96, 97, that's the year. 96, 97, 98 are the years that you guys want to look for the cool 90s inserts, okay? Even 94, 95 has some here and there. 93, yes, the Scoring Kings, the Power in the Key. Those early foil cards, that's like a different category because these kinds of designs or capabilities, technologies, weren't really available back then. So 92, 93, 94, the foil type cards or the Scoring King type cards. However, in the 96, 97, 98, look for the technology that they were experimenting with, okay? Awesome inserts, guys. I'm looking for more of these. Here's another cool 95, 96 Flair. Let me pull this out, guys. The Anticipation, one of my favorite inserts. Not only for the color, look at that emboss, okay? It's embossed. There's like a texture to it. So the color and the texture on these cards is just awesome. I love the contrasting photos in the background. Some of my favorite inserts to pick up right now for dirt cheap. I picked this up for $5. Very good condition. I'll be happy with a mint grade long-term investment here, guys. Not going to be selling this anytime soon. I buy these cards a lot for my PC, personal collection. And I got 3 of the Anticipation, the Shaqs, okay? I would buy these up for around $10 to $15 a piece. They're very tough to find in gem mint condition, raw and ungraded. One of the reasons I've seen is it's hard to see, but look at that. That's supposed to be white. That's brown, okay? It's supposed to be white. Here, let me do that. See that? Okay, the edges, they're supposed to be white. The cardstock is supposed to be white. This one is white. A little bit better. You can see the difference right there. However, I got it at a good price, so I'm not going to complain. If it gets an 8, it gets an 8. I paid $10 for it, pay an additional $10 to have it graded. I'm in it. $20 investment, in 10 years could be, I don't know, maybe 40, maybe 60. Who knows? But love the cards. These cards, the Anticipation, the early stuff, the Flair, I've been looking more and more into. Great cards, great designs. The advanced technology back in the day, guys, the experimentation with the cards. That's what I love seeing in the hobby, is the experimentation early on in the year, trying to get people, more and more collectors into the hobby. That's what these designs were. They were trying to get people to collect, more and more collectors in the hobby. So it's awesome to collect these, the 90s inserts, and basketball specifically. So those are my pickups, guys. I've been getting a bunch in the mail. I wanted to knock them out and show you guys what I've been buying. I'm going to be doing an SGC video here shortly and submit those Metal Universe cards and a bunch of other cards. So stay posted for that. I want to thank you all for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking the video. And I'll see you on the next one, all right?